Hi guys, welcome to My Sew Bliss. Today I'm going to share with you my 5 tools that I think you need to start sewing. Now this is not going to include a sewing machine because I feel like that one's just a given, as well as the thread and the fabric. Those 3 things, I feel like if you want to learn how to sew, especially if you want to learn how to sew clothing or quilting, you are going to need a sewing machine. Now, if you're wanting to know what kind of sewing machine, I will provide a video here soon. So I'll put a link down below once that is available, where you can check out my recommendations for sewing machines from the cheaper side to the more expensive side. So look out for that video. So today I'm just going to show you the top 5 tools that you're going to need. I'm starting to teach kids how to sew out of my house, doing lessons in my house, and I am providing 5 tools for them, and I wanted to share with you guys what those 5 are. So the first thing that I'm giving to them is going to be these pins, and those are going to be to hold their fabric together so that they can actually sew their project together accurately. I think these are really important when learning how to sew, that you have really good pins that are going to stay in and won't break a lot. I really like these glass head pins, so I got a little pack for them. I got a seam ripper because even if you think you won't mess up, you'll probably mess up, and you never know when you're going to need it, so always have a good seam ripper. This is just a basic one, but I do like getting a more comfortable one, a nicer one to have on hand, so that's always nice. And then number 3 is a marking utensil, some form of marking tool. This one right here is a tailor's chalk triangle. What's it called? Triangle tailor's chalk, yeah. So it just comes in a little box and is literally a piece of chalk as a triangle, perfect for marking where you need to sew, where you need to cut, anything you need marked. This is perfect, and I think it's essential to have when you start sewing, because there are things that you need to have marked, like darts or lines that you might have to sew, especially when quilting. So I think that's essential to have. Then a good pair of scissors is number 4. I think it is essential to have really nice scissors. These are the ones I got for the kids, just to start out. I really love my gingers. They're awesome. The small ones is really just to cut all the threads. So that is number 4. And then for number 5, you need a seam gauge, and that is to measure. You never know what seams you need to measure and how you need to get that all situated. I think that's so essential to have because I'm always reaching for it, especially the one that has a point turner. That is going to help out in the long run for a lot of things, especially if you're sewing clothing. So those are my top 5 tools that you're going to need to get started sewing. Again, that doesn't include the sewing machine, the fabric, or the thread, because I think those are pretty obvious. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to stay tuned for more videos, especially for beginners. I want to start doing more of a series and coming out with courses and courses for kids. I think it would be so much fun. So stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my sewing and my everyday life, make sure to check me out on Instagram at My Sew Bliss, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!